Hi there, students. Fallow. Okay, well, the original meaning of fallow is for a farm. This is land that has been ploughed and broken up, but then has not been used to sow a crop. It's been left to gain fertility, to become more fertile. This is to do with crop rotation. Maybe one year you grow wheat, another year you grow beans, the next year you grow potatoes, and the next year the field lies fallow. Yeah, you prepare it, but you don't plant anything. And like that, it regains its fertility. Notice, the verb with fallow is to lie fallow. Yeah? Okay, so this is fallow fields. However, we also use this word metaphorically. So fallow meaning a period of inactivity, a period of time where nothing much happens. So, for example, in business, this word fallow is very common. Perhaps in many businesses, August, when people are on holiday, is fallow. That is, unless you're in the tourism industry. When business is low, when not much is happening, when there are no big changes. So we use fallow to mean dormant, inactive, undeveloped. So, for example, I am certain there are many wonderful inventions that are out there, but they are lying fallow. They haven't been developed. They have potential to be very useful, but they haven't been developed. So they are lying fallow. Yeah? Okay, so something that you're not using, that's inactive, but potentially useful. So, I don't know, my winter clothes lie fallow during the summer. I don't use them, they're inactive. If it got suddenly cold, I could use them, yeah? But, so, this is the idea of fallow, a period of time where nothing much happens, or something that's not being developed, yeah? Although it has potential. Notice as well, the word fallow is also a colour. Maybe you've heard the word fallow deer. Well, fallow, the colour fallow, is this pale brown or reddish yellow colour. This is the colour of a deer, yeah? Fallow deer. Maybe you could have a fallow greyhound. It's this brown colour. And also, I'm told in farming, when a female pig, a sow, is not pregnant, they call this a fallow sow. Okay, so not being productive. So, what about the origin of this? This comes from Old English, fair, meaning to break up land or ground for sowing. Okay, so fallow, a field that's not being used for crops and left to its own. But then fallow, something that's not being used, something that could be potentially useful, yeah? So, ideas lying fallow, inventions lying fallow, proposals lying fallow, okay, not being used. Machinery or something like that is not being used at the present, yeah? It's inactive, but it could be used, to lie fallow. Okay, so don't let your English lie fallow, just have it and don't use it, but go out and try and use it, try and practice it. Because if you leave your English to lie fallow, you will slowly forget it, okay? So you need to use it and not let it lie fallow. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To lie fallow.